Hey, good Monday afternoon, everyone, and Happy New Year! Welcome back to another fun-filled week of weather here in the Mahoning and Shenango Valleys. Actually, looks like a pretty quiet week of weather. Things can turn interesting next week as it turns colder and perhaps a little stormier, but in the near term, we are pretty quiet this afternoon. The story is the cold. It is pretty frigid out there this afternoon. In Columbiana, we have some sunshine working in. The snow showers that we had last night are long gone, and you can see that there's not much residual snow cover left even on the grassy surfaces up in Niles, where the road was a little bit tricky, right along 422 at about daybreak earlier on today. All right, our lake effect snow showers from last night continue to impact the western suburbs of Cleveland and then heading down towards Mansfield, Columbus, New Philly, Cambridge, Zanesville. Real hit or miss, but across our viewing area, we are pretty much done aside from just a real stray renegade flurry. The snowfall totals last night did not end up as high as they could have gotten. The lake effect bands did not get real well organized until actually this morning, and once they did, they were mostly west of our viewing area. So the overnight snowfall totals, not all that impressive. In fact, not that many reports called into the National Weather Service. Pulaski an inch, and then you get up in Ashtabula County, 2.5, Orwell, Dorset 3 inches, but parts of Ashtabula County could have gotten 5, 6, 7 inches. But it kind of underachieved there. It underachieved in our area with most places just picking up a coating, half an inch, maybe a few spots got an inch. All right, temperature-wise, it's cold. Only 20 in Mercer, 22 in Sharon, 28 in Salem, and 24 in Salineville here at 2:04 p.m. And the wind chill at the airport, 9 above. Well, it could be worse. Wind chills are below 0 north of Interstate 80 in PA and heading up into southwestern parts of New York. Thankfully, as it turns even colder tonight, the wind will diminish. So temperatures will be cold enough, but the wind chill won't be much different than the temperature tonight. The sky will completely clear after a partly cloudy evening, and already by midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning, we're down in the lower teens. And so I think there'll be some single digits on this map in some spots. First thing tomorrow morning for our Tuesday morning. So easily the coldest morning of the season so far. And then it'll be a bright and sunny day tomorrow, but temperatures probably stay below freezing just about all day. Lots of interesting things to talk about in the medium and long range. We'll talk about all that on Weather for Weather Geeks this evening on my weather blog and on WFMJ.com/weather. It's definitely going to turn pretty cold next week. Could there be snow as that colder air arrives? Maybe, maybe not. We're going to examine the computer models and show you what might be cooking in the longer range. We're talking about a week from right now and then heading into the middle of next week. Stay tuned for that on Weather for Weather Geeks this evening, and I'll also see you on TV this evening on 21 News at 6 and 11.